Hey friends, in this video I will show you how we can install the openssh-server on your Ubuntu machine. So for this you need to just put the command sudo apt get install openssh-server. Now put it, enter. Now it's just asking, do you want to continue? So I just need to enter Y. This is just downloading the openssh configuration file and it's unpacking on this Ubuntu machine. And once this will just download it, it will just create some config file with the certificate, like currently you can see this SSH256 and keys are there. So it will take some time to install the openssh on this machine. So we need to just wait for a while. Now this openssh has been installed successfully, and you can cross check the status with command ps aux and grep sshd. Now you can see this openssh server has been installed. Now you can just access while using the openssh client on another machine. So in the next upcoming video we will see how we can access the openssh server through using openssh client. Thank you for watching this video.